Hello guys and welcome to Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode of Stock Watch. In today's video, I'm going to quickly go over two stocks that I'm watching very closely going into this new trading week. Now, you'd have heard me mention PayPal in one of my previous videos. I still really like PayPal here. Since I previously mentioned PayPal hasn't really done much. We've traded up towards the upside ever so slightly, and then towards the downside, and we're pretty much at the same level where I entered this trades. Now, both stocks that I'm about to mention today, I have actually opened a position in both, along with our private Signal team over on Telegram and the streaming service. If you would like to understand and learn our entry and exit strategy, so to take profits and stop losses for these two trades, then you will have to go and sign up on our streaming service, which will then of course give you access to our private Telegram group chat. I'm going to leave a little short video at the end of this video which will explain how you can do that. But PayPal, I really like this stock, and with many countries now entering back into lockdown, there's talks of here in the UK, for example, after Christmas we're going to see a 2-week lockdown. The Netherlands has just entered into a lockdown, Austria's in a lockdown, you name it. The number's going to keep increasing because this new variant is here to stay, and it is very, very transmittable. We've seen an increasing number of people testing positive for COVID, and I've seen it firsthand. My family, in fact, are currently getting tested positive left, right, and centre. A great example is today I had a Christmas dinner with my family booked. We went to be 27 people, and only 10 of us could turn up due to the fact we've just seen an increasing number of us all test positive. But thankfully, I am negative, which is good, which means I can still come on here and do videos for you. But PayPal, as I mentioned, it will do very well over the next couple of weeks, and that's due to the fact people are going to be fearful of leaving their homes, especially just before Christmas. Many people, they don't want their Christmas plans, that is, to be at risk, so they will stay at home, and staying at home means working from home, and working at home means pretty much consuming from home. Everything we do will have to be from home over the next couple of months, I personally think. And of course, a stock that performed very well since March 2020 due to the fact many of us had to stay at home, which was of course PayPal. In fact, we saw a huge rise in the PayPal stock from those March lows all the way up, and we increased a massive 272%. So I'm very, very confident that PayPal will do very well over the upcoming weeks, and we will see a move back above $200. Now, I'm not going to share on here where my take profit is exactly for PayPal. It is in fact a lot higher than $200, but if you would like to know that, you can go and check out my more in-depth video I've just posted over on the streaming service. But another stock that I really am keeping a close eye on, and this is one of my favorite stocks out there, is a stock called Nvidia. And if you don't know about Nvidia, you need to get to know about it, because this is one of the fastest moving technology stocks out there at this moment in time. In fact, it's one of my favorite technology stocks, and I haven't been able to buy it for the past couple of months, and that's due to the fact we've just seen a 78% gain in this stock in the past month, from all the way from the start of October until mid-November, so a month and a half. We saw a 78% gain where this stock rallied from $200 all the way up to $350, and that's because they sealed a contract which will help them work in the metaverse. So they will be providing certain chips to technology companies for the metaverse. So I really do like this stock. And another reason as to why I really like Nvidia at this moment in time is because, of course, this week we've just had Jerome Powell, the Fed chairman, come out and announce that they will definitely be hiking interest rates on 3 separate occasions within the next 18 to 24 months. Now, this is, for most stocks, are very bearish news, because stocks typically thrive in an environment where interest rates are at an all-time low, closer to 0% or better. But Nvidia, I've just gone and looked at some history, but Nvidia was one of the best performing stocks on the previous 2 occasions when the US Fed has hiked interest rates. I think Nvidia on one occasion rallied near 70% in the space of only 6 months, and on the second occasion it rallied somewhere near 30%. So I really like this stock. Yes, it has initially reacted quite negatively to interest rate hikes, but so do most stocks. And then what you typically see is, after a few weeks pass, these stocks start to do very well again. And this is exactly what I fully anticipate for the Nvidia price chart We have fallen roughly 20% over the past couple of weeks, but I fully expect this to change and for us to pair these losses, and that gives us a 25% potential increase towards the upside. So again, I've just posted my entry and exit strategy. I'm not targeting towards the all-time highs. I'm targeting a little bit lower than that, as this is more of a short-term trade. But if you'd like to understand what that trade is, then you can head over to the streaming service, and I'm going to leave a clip right now which you can go and watch so that you can go and join our service. And that is going to wrap it up for today's video. But just before I let you leave, I just want to quickly show you our brand new streaming service. We've recently launched this website that you can see in front of you. This is where we provide in-depth analysis videos as well as trading signals via our Telegram group chat. How it works is really simple. We have two subscription plans. First one is a monthly fee of $19.99, and the second plan is only $209.99 for a year's subscription. Once subscribed, you'll then have access to all of our in-depth analysis videos, as well as access to our private Telegram group chat. We cover various markets such as commodities, US stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. We also have a video category where we provide educational content so that you can improve your trading skills. If this sounds appealing to you, then you can find our website link in the description of this YouTube video at dailymarketmovements.com. If not, then I would just like to take this time to say thank you for watching today's YouTube video. Please give my channel a subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you again soon.